It's understandable that not everyone can be a handyman, but worry not. DubaiRepairs.org is here to help. We cater to all the needs and concerns one may have around the house, such as plumbing, carpentry, electrical repair, lock repair, appliances repair, suitcase and luggage repair, mobile phone repair, furniture repair, water tank cleaning, car and bicycle repair, and everything in between. You name it, and our well-trained technicians will repair it. For booking and details, please visit our website, www.dubairepairs.org. Call us at 058-187-3003-058-187-3002, or email us your concerns at help@dubairepairs.org.